Hello, welcome back guys to Sporaria channels here. Today in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial how to display number row on a keyboard on a Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button below to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first things first, of course, here you just have to open your keyboard first. I'm going to tap on this search bar. We'll see this is the keyboard display. At my keyboard, there are no number row yet, guys. So if you wanna keep press and tap the number, you have to tap on this first at the number icon. You just have to tap on it and you will see this is the number row. But if you wanna display the number row on the keyboard, you just have to tap on this settings icon first and now tap on the preferences options. Now at the first option, you will see this number row. You just have to activate first the button beside number row and we'll see the display on the keyboard, guys. The number row is already displayed on the keyboard page. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. A tutorial how to display number row on a keyboard on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.